Welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And if you're anything like me, you have an extra day to yourself, and I'm here to encourage you that you are going to take really good care of yourself this weekend. In honor of having an extra day off, I'm offering my course, How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine, for half off. You just need promo code NESTPRETTY. No spaces, no capitalization. And I hope that it helps you to implement one of my favorite concepts that I bring out in the course, and that is to schedule on a regular basis a gold star day. It's life-changing, let me tell you. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, just encouraging you to please prioritize yourself. Take really good care of yourself and do a little pampering since you have the time. I hope you have a fantastic day, and remember, the link is in the bio. How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine, promo code NESTPRETTY. No spaces. Have a great day.